Who's calling my shit? Who's calling my phone? Ooh, who's calling my phone? Is this Daisy? Is this Misha? Is Capricia? Is Kanisha? Nobody calling you. Let's put a fit together. You know, I'm just gonna throw any piece I have. I'm gonna try to match. Here come the hit, baby. God damn! Got that green face on it, you know. Gotta play that matchy. Is this Keisha? Is Capricia? Is this Macy? Is Capricia? Is Mamisha? Who's calling my phone? Who's calling my phone? Who's calling my phone? You know who's the first rapper wear this? You guys know who's the first rapper wear this? Shoes, babe. It was Biggie Small. Rest in peace. Changed my mind. I think we go with those baggy black pants. That's my favorite pants out now. Yeah, I think the black go way better than the other baggy ass jeans. Look at them shades.